Hello students, today we have discussed uniformly convergence, right? Now let us define the function fnx is equals to x upon 1 plus nx square, which is from real numbers to real numbers, right? Now we have to prove that fn converges uniformly to 0 on R. How do we prove that it is converged uniformly? It means that if we have uniform bound type things, then it converts 0, and it converts taking limits, then it converts to 0, then we say that it is converged uniformly. Now let us define, how do we define the uniform bound of this function? Taking the uniform bound type things, we have to make firstly this new denominator to make sense in numerator, so we can bound it. Okay, for this we can make, if we have 1 plus nx square, it means then root n of mod of x whole square of this, right? So make it that type of thing. We can introduce first term 1 over root n and multiply it by root n, then it will make sense. So taking this root nx t, so it will form 1 over root n, it is the constant term, so this can't affect 1 over root n t upon 1 plus t square, right? It will make t square. As we have t upon 1 plus t square, it is bounded by 1 by 2. How it is bounded by 1 by 2? Because we know that 1 minus t whole square of this is always positive, then 2t is less than equals to 1 plus t square. So this will make sense, t upon 1 plus t square, which is less than equals to 1 by 2. So we can write it up this 1 by 2, and if it is 1 by 2 bounded by 1 by 2, then it is a constant term 1 over root n, then it will say that we will say that mod of fnt is bounded by 1 over 2 root n for all t's in R. So we can introduce a term which bound the function for all t. There is no variable, this is a constant term. So taking the limit of this, and this limit tends to limit, when we take limit then it tends to 0, so it converts. Because we have an epsilon for this, we have take n is equals to 1 over 4 epsilon square, so it is bounded, and this is, there is epsilon of this, so fn converts uniformly to 0.